Daddy, how are you? How is your repairment going?
I'm okay, but I forgot. I needed to visit the building shop.
Don't worry, we could help. Kids, today we are going to a huge tool supermarket.
I want.
Green toolbox. Blue electrical tape. Angle grinder. Blue clamp. Trowel. 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 Pay for your goods, please. Vlad has 1 product, 2 products, 3 products, 4 products, 5 products. Nikita failed to find something from the list.
Well done, my darlings. What attraction do you want to visit today? Yeah!
Yeah! And
We have so much fun!
Yay!
Yeah!
Whee! Hooray!
Aha!
And Hooray! And me! We liked it! Let's go there one more time!
You need to put all goods to their places. Move goods to their places.
Very well.